Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode we will install a variable frequency drive kit in the two-stage Renaissance platform. Remove the control and blower access panels. Remove the 3 screws holding the blower assembly in place. Slide the blower assembly out and rotate it so that you have access to both sides. Disconnect the blower power cable at the 4-pin Molex connector. Remove the nylon cable support from the blower housing. The power wires may have to be connected to the VFD drive. Identify the 2 sets, the VFD output harness with the female Molex connector and the wires marked with 3M, and the VFD input wiring harness with the male Molex connector and the wires marked 3N. Unlock and open the VFD cover. Remove the screw holding the small circuit board. Pull the circuit board down to disconnect and remove. Using the female harness connector, connect the 3M1 wire to the UT1 terminal. Connect the 3M2 wire to the VT2 terminal. Connect the 3M3 wire to the WT3 terminal. Connect the green wire to the ground terminal. Using the male harness, connect the 3N1 wire to the RL1 terminal. Connect the 3N2 wire to the SL2 terminal. Connect the 3N3 wire to the TL3 terminal. Connect the green wire to the ground terminal. Securely tighten all the terminals. Reinstall the small circuit board and secure with the captive screw. Assemble the VFD drive mounting bracket using the 4 screws provided. Locate the mounting holes on the blower housing and attach the mounting bracket using 2 screws on the front and back side. Loosely install a screw in the lower mounting hole of the VFD bracket. Slip the VFD drive over the lower mounting screw. Secure the VFD by installing the upper mounting screw into the bracket. Connect the 4-pin blower power wire to the VFD drive input connector. Take the new VFD control cable. Slide the connector in through the cable passage from the top of the blower compartment into the control panel. Connect the white and blue loose wire to the P24 terminal on the VFD drive. Connect the gray loose wire to the R terminal. Connect the yellow loose wire to the F terminal. Close and lock the VFD cover. Secure the control wires to the blower house. Locate the P6 terminal and remove the connector with the gray and brown wire. Plug the new control wire connector onto the P6 terminal and secure the wires with a cable tie. Locate and remove the 3 jumper wires from the L1, L2, and L3 terminals that are going to the blower contactor. Locate and remove the 3T1, 3T2, and 3T3 wires. Identify the wires for connection to the CC1 contactor. Connect the 3T1 wire to the L1 terminal. Connect the 3T2 wire to the L2 terminal. Connect the 3T3 wire to the L3 terminal. Disconnect the gray and brown wires from the blower contactor. Remove the blower contactor from the control panel and discard the old control wires. Turn on the power and verify the operation of the VFD. Fan only or first stage cooling will ramp to 37.5 Hz. Second stage cooling will ramp to 60 Hz. This concludes the installation of a variable frequency drive kit in the two-stage Renaissance platform.